I like the nightlife, I like the people, and I'm here to study, so I like the uni. Yeah, uni, like nightlife and shopping, really. Subscribe to S Campbell 4K, like and comment.
What does a city look like at 3 in the morning? Not the version you see on postcards. Not the one tourists usually experience. Tonight, we're walking the streets of the UK's biggest cities, when most people are asleep, and discovering what really happens after dark. Exploring nightlife and late-night street walks can be exhilarating, but also misunderstood. Some see danger. Others see freedom. In this video, we're heading into London, Manchester, and Edinburgh at 3 a.m. to explore the energy, the peat, the atmosphere, how to experience it safely. The vibrant nightlife of UK cities like London, Manchester, and Edinburgh offers single ladies a thrilling experience, with a plethora of clubs, bars, and cultural events to explore. As the clock strikes 3 a.m., the streets often transform into a quieter, yet intriguing world, perfect for reflective walks under the city lights. While these cities are generally safe, it's crucial for single women to remain vigilant during late-night strolls, opting for well-lit, populated areas and staying connect-hand.
Ryan said, nah, bro.
Don't book me off. Yeah, I will do. Yeah, yeah. Love you guys. I literally said hurry on this Thursday. Oh, I have that here. I don't mean
Subscribe to S Channel 4K and like and subscribe. Subscribe to S Travel 4K and like and comment.
What's it called again? Vibe?
I know, right?
Right about this one. Please.
Please let me home.
Then Matthew's like that. You were stupid. I just feel like people take you serious. Excuse me.
Subscribe to S Travels 4K. Like, comment, share.